Early on Monday morning, a series of explosions shook Ukraine's capital Kyiv. Reports said that at least 8 people died and 24 others were injured after Russian missiles hit Ukrainian capital Kyiv. Ukraine's presidency said that there were strikes on many cities in Ukraine a day after Moscow blamed Kyiv for an explosion on a bridge connecting Crimea to Russia that left 3 people dead. The explosions hit Kyiv at around 8:15 am local time, and an AFP journalist in the city saw numerous ambulances appearing to head towards the scene of the blasts. Kyiv heard at least 5 blasts on Monday morning. Videos posted on social media showed black smoke rising above several areas in the city. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said that there have been casualties in missile attacks across Ukraine, adding that Russia is trying to destroy the country and wipe them off the face of the earth. Russian news agencies reported that Vladimir Putin was speaking during a meeting with the head of the investigation committee he has set up to look into the bombing of Crimea Bridge. The Russian leader is reportedly getting ready for a meeting with the Security Council later on Monday. The blast that hit the bridge sparked celebrations from Ukrainians and others on social media. On Saturday, Russia said that some road and rail traffic had resumed over the strategic link, a symbol of the Kremlin's 2014 annexation of Crimea. The 19-kilometer bridge is a vital supply link between Russia and the annexed Crimean Peninsula. Some military analysts argue that the blasts could have a major impact if Moscow sees the need to shift already hard-pressed troops to Crimea from other regions, or if it prompts a rush by residents to leave. President Zelensky, meanwhile, denounced a Russian missile strike on Sunday that killed at least 13 people, one of them a child, in Zaporizhzhia, which is the latest deadly bombardment of the southern Ukrainian city. According to a statement from the president's office, the attack also wounded 89 people, including 11 children. Russian officials meanwhile denounced on Sunday what they said was a surge in Ukrainian fire into its territory that had hit homes, administrative buildings and a monastery.